Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to add one of the most important features in our job portal. So what we're going to add is that we want to add the job referral system to the application. That means that if you don't like job, or if you think that this job matches to someone, then you can simply click the link and model will pop up, and you can write the email of your friend here, his name, and then you can submit, so that this job will be available to email mailbox of your friend. Okay, so this is one of the cool features. So in this video also you learn how you can send the email. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to make here one link, and when user click, so the form will appears, and user will type your, and you'll be typing your friend email, and when you submit the form, the email will be sent to your friend email box, and he can follow the link, and when he follow the link he come to this job. Okay, so let's do that. So first of all, here you have to go into jobs folder and show.blade.php, and in the description here just I'll paste this code. This is nothing, this is just a font icon. You can see it's the far dash envelope square, and I made a font size 34, and I float right, and I gave a color green. Okay, now you can see here this is what it should look like. Now let me give a link here as well. So I want to give a link, and I want to close here so that we'll have a clickable link. Now here I'm going to use the Bootstrap model. So this is the model that I'm going to use. So I'll copy this, and I'll go down here, and just below this p tag I'll paste it here. Okay, now okay, so now I don't need this example model. I'll remove this, and so first, before removing this example model, let me copy this. So here you can see class, here you can see data toggle model and data target. So I need this, so I'll copy this and I'll paste here in anchor tag. Here I'll paste it here, and again I'll come back, and I don't need this, and I will remove this one. Okay, I'll remove this one. So now if I go to the job portal app, and if I refresh and if I click here, I get the previous model, right? This is because we have the same. Here you can see ID is an example model, and in the previous login models also we had an example. So let's rename this. So I'll write example model 1, and here also I have to give example model 1. So now I'll get the more right model. Okay, so if I click, now this is the model that I should get now. Okay, all right. So now let's make the form here. Okay, so here in the body, you can see here in the body, so let's make the form here. So let's make here. Now first what you need is I'll use the form group. So div class form group, and close the div, and here I'll write a label, and then here I'll write label, and then we need an input type field, input type text, and name is let's say your let's say name. It should be name because it's the name of, let's say it's your name. Okay, your name, and okay, just your name, and give the class form control, form control control, and let's say required. So it should be required, and then again I'll copy this same form group and I'll paste it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So your name and your email, this should be your email, and let's make this email, and this is friend name, the for whom you are going to send. This is a friend name, and this is the friend email, friend FRIEND, friend email. Okay, so now this should be the email, so that it contains validates the email, and here let's write your name. Here we'll write your email, your email, and here we'll write the your person name, and here we write person email for whom you're going to submit this. So here we'll write asterisk, that means it is the sign of the compulsory field, so that user will know whether that is a compulsory or not. Okay, all right, and let's refresh this and let's check how this looks. So now when you click here, this pops up. So here the model title, you write your name, you write your email, and you write your friend name or person name, and you write email, and then you do the submit. Okay, so let's write here model title. So here send this, send job to your friend. I'll write this, and then here in the model, so here I'll make the, here suppose, let's see where this tip actually close. So model body starts from here and it close here. So what I need to do here is, so I'll make form here, form action method post. Okay, method post, 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 and I'll close the form just below the footer. This here, I'll close the form here, and this is the button, and this is the button type submit. Okay, and send email, send email, or email this job, mail this job, this job. Okay, all right, now let's check this. Okay, click here. Now you can see send job to your friend, and you can mail this job. So here is spelling mistake, send job to your friend, so it should be send job to. So in this video we design the form, and we'll start doing in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.